Mariana, and we forgot. There's a mix. Check it out. Here's the mix because look, it's empty. So, and the second ingredient. Milk.
For the second cup of milk.
To pick the milk.
Pues mi amor. Porque si lo vamos a ocupar con mix.
Mix, mix, mix. Let's mix and mix and mix. The mix. Yeah, this is pretty good.
Así mañana.
Okay, so we're gonna be back. Goodbye. Hi. We're gonna get this with aluminum foil and cover it. Wait, what? What? What is it? Help. Help. See, when I ask help, you need to ask an adult to help you. I can do this all by myself. I'm a big girl. Ta-da!
Yes.
We're gonna put it in the fridge in 5 minutes. We'll be right back, friends. Goodbye. Okay, we're back, friends, and now let's get the taste test ready. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh-wee! Here's the pudding. Okay, and now for the taste test. So good. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.